Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to get the current location of user on map in Android.
So let's get started. First, we create our project. Here we select Google Maps activity and click on Next. Name of your project. Here I'm selecting language Java and click on Finish. After creating project, our next step is to get the Google Maps API key. So to access the Google Map API key, we have to open our Google Developer Console in your browser. So open your browser. Here type Google API Controller and click on Google Developers Console. Here click on New Project. Name of your project. Here I'm providing the same name as our Android project for consistency. You can give any name, whatever you want, and click on Create button. Click on Enable APIs and Services, then Maps SDK for Android. Here we select our project, Google Maps Studio, and then click on Enable button. Here you can see our Maps SDK for Android API is enabled. Now we click on Credentials. Here we click on Create Credentials and then click on API key. Here you can see our API key is generated. Copy this API key. There is no need to click on the restricted key because in Maps there is no need to use restricted keys. So simply click on Close button. Now go back to our Android Studio. Now open Google Maps API.xml. Here we paste our API key. Now after getting API key, our next step is to check dependencies in build.gradle app level. So open build.gradle app level. Here we check our Play Services dependencies add successfully or not. Here you can see com.google android.gms Play Services map 18.0.1. This is our Google Map Services dependency which is add successfully. Now we will add some permission in manifest file. So open your manifest file. Here we add some permissions. Access find location. Internet permission. These are 5 permissions. I'll provide this permission in description box. You can copy it from there. Open project, build.gradle app level. Here we will add dependency for location. I'll provide in description box. Now open MapActivity.java. Here we initialize some variables. Now inside onCreate method, we initialize fused location provider client. And here we pass this. Now we will create a method to get the current location. First we check the conditions. The location permissions. Here we pass our request code. Here you can see we check for the location permission. If permission is not granted, then we request for the permission and then we simply return. So here in task, we fetch the last location and then we add a success listener. If location is not equals to null, then in current location we pass our location. So inside the getCurrent method, first we check for the location permission, then we obtain the support map fragment and get notified when the map is ready. Now move to the onMapReady method. Here we define our latitude and longitude. Then we call our getCurrentLocation method. Then we create a override measure on request permission result. Here we call getCurrentLocation. Now run the project.
Here you can see the output, current location of the user.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.